guys, we have a treat for you today. We have these awesome mystery surprise eggs, which are Ultimate Spider-Man and Avengers assembled in one toy. How cool is that? These are from Zuru, and I assume that we get action figures inside. I do have 6 of these, so let's open them and see exactly what we get. So our first figure is Captain America. How cool is that, guys? He's standing on some bricks and sandbags. He's striking a battle pose as well. So very impressive so far. Let's see what the other eggs have in store. Oh cool, we get the Hulk next, my favourite superhero of all time. And look how meaty the Hulk looks. Well guys, that was a complete fail. 5 Captain Americas and 1 Hulk. So at least I do have myself a Captain America army led by the awesome Hulk. I may have to buy some more of these guys so I can try and show you a few more of these figures. But for now, the only things we can look at are Captain America and the Hulk. Well, toy fans, thanks for watching this complete fail video. Please do check back next time for more awesome toy reviews.